You know I'll always miss you, because I didn't get to say goodbye. I just wanna hug and kiss you, just for one last time. And oh, oh, you put a smile on everyone's face. And oh, oh, I remember the days I was walking through the park, had my earphones in the dark. I hear a cheerful voice. It's you and your voice. You cheered up everyone's day with your voice like little rain. I miss you so much, and it gets harder each and every day. I said I miss you so much, and it gets harder each and every day. Rest in peace, Raheem. Love you loads.